Hi everyone, this video will take you through how to play the Rhiannon riff for our ensemble workshop. What we need to do is take a look at this tab up here and follow along where the numbers will indicate fret numbers and the horizontal lines indicate strings. I will show you where the fingerings go because they don't tell you which fingers to use. So the first position, third finger for a first finger on the third fret of the A string, and third finger on the fifth fret of the E string. And it sounds like this. Now we're just moving that whole thing up 2 frets. So the first finger goes up to the 5th fret on A, and the third finger goes up to the 7th fret on E. Now we're going to move that a little bit more by taking our first finger and putting it on the 7th fret of the A string, and we're going to put our second finger onto the 8th fret of the E string. So what we've done is one more time, it looks like this. Now, what we need to do is head on back down that ladder. Back to 7 and 5. Then we're going to go back to 3 and 5. Then down to 2 and 3. So this is a new one. 2nd fret, first finger on A. 2nd finger, 3rd fret on E. So we've gone. Now what we need to do is go to the next section where you can see 4th finger on C, a 4th fret C, 5th fret E. Looks like this. Here's the whole thing. Now, we're going to move that second finger up to the 5th fret to meet the 3rd. Then we're going to go back to 2 and 3. Then 3 and 5. Then back to 2 and 3. Then to 5, 5th fret.